So here is the screen of GST website. So this is the home. Where you can see it is home, services, GST law, downloads, search taxpayer, help, e-way bill, new return, etc. In this down, we are having two types of registration. On the very left hand down corner, bottom, register now. Find a GST practitioner. This is for taxpayer and second is for GST practitioner. Register now or find a taxpayer. So we both can do registration. For example, the people who want to practice in GST, they can register themselves as GST practitioner. I have registered myself for GST practitioner, and all those who are really the taxpayer, they can register as taxpayer. So I'll show you the window of taxpayer by clicking on register now. As this is showing, there are two steps. You have to do either new registration or new registration. There are two steps, user credentials and then second is OTP verification. कल हमने बात किया था कि 11 steps इसके अंदर होगा registration में. So we are discussing all those 11 steps, how to get registration and how this registration will be done. Now new registration, we have to fill the form. These are the informations required. IMA, you have to select who are you. Obviously, when we have to select, we will find taxpayer. We have to select a UT. For example, I am in Delhi, I'll select Delhi, then district. I'll select Northwest. I reside in Northwest. Then legal name of the business. For example, I'll just put, we are having one unit, Eureka Media. So I'll just take this as Eureka only. Okay. Now I have to enter PAN number. So PAN number you have to enter, email address and mobile number you have to enter. So all these details we are already having, then we have to type this screen captcha code and we have to proceed. Once we will proceed this, they will give us a OTP to verify mobile and email ID. Once we will fill the form and click on proceed, it will show a OTP verification with email and mobile. It says send to email and OTP will be sent to mobile number. Okay, so this will show you this type of screen, OTP on your mobile number and email. Clear? I had already filled this form and I am having the screen of this OTP of mobile and email. I'll show you with the screen. Just wait because it is already there with me. I can show you. I'm copying it and I'll be showing you in the screen that how we are getting this OTP and how we can use this OTP through mail and mobile. Because this exercise I had already done, these systems are required. So here I am showing you on screenshot. You can just check. I have got two types of OTP. One is for my mobile number. That dear applicant, the OTP validation for your mobile number is this. So I had verified, and second is for my email. I had inserted both the mobile numbers to get my validation of email and mobile number. So once I'm through on the screen, they will take me to the next step of this. If I click proceed, they will show you because I have not filed the data. I had already collected some screenshots for you so that you will be able to get the original pictures of this. So I had filled the form and I clicked on proceed. After that I got mobile OTP and email OTP as I show you. Then I had inserted all these OTPs, mobile and email. After that, once I fill my first step, it will take me to the next station and it will give me one temporary registration number, or we can say initial registration number of GST, where I have to fulfill some other responsibilities, some other formalities. So I got this TRN number. This is temporarily registration number. Now I will enter with my temporary registration number just to show you each and everything so that you will be able to get all the details. I am again taking you to the home because I had done it for GST practitioner. So I'll show you here. My details are already loaded. So I have my TRN number. So I'm filing it, my TRN number, TRN in it. TRN number, invalid TRN number. I'm again looking for TRN number 072 1234 5391 072 4053. It is already correct. The TRN number is okay. I don't know why it is showing problem. on the registration. So I'll show you once again on the site. So our screen is ready. If I'll click on this TRN number, because I had already applied for TRN number and CAPTCHA, so I will click on the proceed. I'll get my further details. Now I'll show you in the form of screenshot what type of these further details are, because I had already clicked certain details. So I'll just take you in 1 minute to show you all these details. Okay, just wait for 1 minute. I'm showing you these details. First, it will take us to the window where I have to complete my further steps. So I'm showing you what type of further steps I have to complete it. And it will be taking me to that window. Who had clicked on their audio? आप किसने अपना ऑडियो चालू कर लिया? Okay, so I'll show you the screen. What type of screen it will show me? This type of screen this will show me. The previous one, I have entered my membership number. So my date of enrollment, all details. Then I save and continue. जो मैंने अपना डिटेल फिल किया, उसके बाद जो नेक्स्ट मेरा टीआरएन नंबर से एंटर करने के बाद मेरे पास आया, तो इस तरह का डिटेल आया: जर्नल डिटेल्स, माय एड्रेस डिटेल, एप्लीकेंट्स डिटेल, प्रोफेशनल एड्रेस और वेरिफिकेशन। जब इंडिविजुअल रजिस्टर करते हैं उसके अंदर जनरल डिटेल्स आते हैं, उनके फैमिली के बारे में पूछा जाता है, मदर फादर कहाँ रहते हैं, रेजिडेंस, आधार कार्ड, पैन कार्ड। उसके बाद हमारा एप्लीकेंट डिटेल आ जाता है, डेट ऑफ बर्थ, उसका क्वालिफिकेशन, जिसके बेसिस पर वो करता है। बिजनेस होगा तो बिजनेस के बारे में आएगा। उसके बाद एड्रेस के लिए आएगा। जब हमने बात किया था हमारे टैक्स पेयर को रजिस्टर करने के लिए एड्रेस प्रूफ चाहिए होगा, तो ये एड्रेस प्रूफ आएगा। सबसे लास्ट स्टेप है वेरिफिकेशन का। तो ये 4 स्टेप में हमारा वेरिफिकेशन होगा, और जब वेरिफिकेशन होगा तो उसके बाद ही हम कंटिन्यू कर पाएंगे। ठीक है, तब जाकर ये हमारा कंटिन्यू होगा। हेलो, आर यू स्टिल देयर? हेलो, ओके। सॉरी, मेरे को थोड़ा सा नेटवर्क इशू है, तो मुझे लगता है कि मेरे को आपसे चेक कर लेना चाहिए बार बार, तो दैट इज आई एम आस्किंग। सो नाउ द पॉइंट इज, मैंने आपको शो किया कि आपका रजिस्ट्रेशन यहाँ पर इस तरह से हो जाएगा और आप उसको प्रोसीड कर पाएंगे। उसके बाद ही हमें इस तरह की स्क्रीन दिखाएगा। मैंने फर्स्ट स्क्रीन आपके साथ शेयर किया, ये स्क्रीन हमारा दिखाता है और हम इसको स्क्रीन के साथ इसमें एंटर हो जाते हैं, इसमें अपना डिटेल फिल कर देते हैं। जैसे ही हम इसमें एंटर करते हैं, हमें सेकंड स्क्रीन दिखाता है। सेकंड स्क्रीन में हमें शो करेगा हमारे नेक्स्ट डिटेल्स। डिटेल मांगेगा हमसे ये इस वाले में, ये देखिए ये डिटेल्स हमसे मांग रहा है। अब हम इस प्रोफाइल को धीरे धीरे फिल करेंगे। जैसे मैं अपना डिटेल फिल करता रहूंगा, तो ये आज ही की डेट में देखिए मैंने किया है, आपको दिखा रहा है यहाँ पर 30/20 को मैंने अभी आपके लिए फिल किया, सो दैट यू विल नॉट टेक मच टाइम इन दिस। इसके आगे का रजिस्ट्रेशन मैं आपको फटाफट स्क्रीनशॉट्स के थ्रू दिखाता हूँ, ताकि आप इसको जल्दी से क्लियरली समझ सके। सो आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग इट लॉग आउट और एक नए आईडी से लॉग इन कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि 3:30 हो गया। 5 मिनट में दोबारा आपको न्यू आईडी से लॉग इन कर रहा हूँ। प्लीज बी देयर सो दैट विल मूव टू दैट। थैंक यू।